नमस्कार. आरडेक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. सुरवेक पळोवया गोंयच्यो मुखेल घडणुको. गोंयचे वेगवेगळे प्रश्न सोडोवपाक सरकार अपयशी थारला. ताका लागून नागरिकां मदीं एक तरेचो राग पसरपाक लागला. ह्या खातीर गोंयच्या प्रश्नांचेर खासा जाहीरनाम्यांत स्थान दिवप जातलें म्हण म्हायती काँग्रेसीचे सर्वे विभाग प्रमुख राजीव गौडा हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I'm here to report to you the details of a very excellent manifesto consultation that we conducted in Goa today. Now, what is this manifesto consultation? The Congress President Shri Rahul Gandhi has set up a manifesto committee to go out across the country and to collect inputs from various stakeholders, from citizens, from activists, so that the Congress manifesto that we prepare for the ensuing Lok Sabha election truly is a people's manifesto. So we have conducted more than 100 such consultations on a range of topics. The chairman of the committee is Mr. Chidambaram. I am the convener. We are about 22 members, and we have fanned out across the country to ensure that voices are taken into account from everywhere. Today, our experience in Goa was fantastic. We had 26 separate speakers who took part. I have calculated a total of about 86 individual suggestions that have come out on a range of topics, because while some of the consultations have focused on just one theme, in Goa we've said it's open on any subject. Partly focused on tourism, partly focused on creating jobs, partly on environment. And so we had participants who were NGO activists, people who were party members, people who were retired professors, people representing the taxi drivers union, people representing farmers, people from other parties. At the NCP, there was a gentleman who also showed up and said, here are suggestions for the overall national agenda. So I want to point out that this has been a fantastic process, and for those who are not able to come, we still have an opportunity for people to give their suggestions. We have a website, manifesto.inc.in. We also have an email ID, manifesto@inc.in. And overall, as we think about this process, we're going to take all these points that have come in, we're going to be putting them in subject boxes, out of which we will be preparing basically a background document, and from those documents we will generate ideas that will be picked up by the national leadership to include in the manifesto.